The top leadership of the Uganda Cancer Institute appeared before the Public Accounts Committee of Parliament to answer queries regarding the Auditor General's report of the financial year 2022-2023. Committee Chairperson Muhammad Mwanga Chivumbi accused the officials of negligence of duty following the procurement of machines that have been non-functional for over 7 years, which puts the lives of cancer patients at stake.
You have to convince this committee beyond reasonable doubt that there is negligence of duty. Otherwise, you are causing death.
The audit report indicated that the entity procured equipment in 2017, which remained non-functional until the audit year 2022-2023.
Bought in 2017. How many years down the road? 7 years. Money spent on it, the equipment lies there, it's not being used.
Uganda Cancer Institute officials, led by the Executive Director, Dr. Jackson Oliem, were asked to justify why at least 6 medical equipment that were procured on public funds broke down and remained unrepaired until the audit time.
Because the country must know how much money because when you read through them, people may think it's like buying tomatoes. Yes, I want you to speak on camera. The cost associated with each machine that the country incurred, and they are not functional.
And sometimes we don't have the finances to repair or replace the equipment. But fortunately, for radiotherapy, for example, we now have 9 radiotherapy machines at the Uganda Cancer Institute, out of that deliberate effort to actually improve equipment at the Uganda Cancer Institute.
The ultrasound machine has not been used since 2019 because the service provider had not serviced it by the time of the audit and dumped in the fire exit area at the basement level. The other machines include the laparoscopy tow machine, film printer, endoscopy machine, Hawk tow, and the hematology analyzer.
It came also in the picture. Of course, the supplier will use that as an explanation.
No, 5 years were under COVID.
But here, doctor, you see, 2017, when was COVID? COVID was 2020.
So 2017, 2018, when we got the thing, and then the supplier kind of began to, they assembled the equipment, but they did not give us that component that we needed.
It is against this background that the committee chairperson Mwanga Chivumbi referred the executive director Dr. Jackson Oliem, head clinical services Dr. Lutu Israel, head administration and the former procurement officer by the time of the audit to the criminal investigations department over negligence of duty, which may cause harm to cancer patients that may result into death.
So, for negligence of these machines and consequently causing harm to patients' cancer, I refer the 3 of you, the 4 of you, to CID immediately after this meeting.
The committee also resolved that it will on Thursday tour the multi-purpose building, whose contract began in 2018 and later stalled in October 2020, which later resumed construction in December 2022 to evaluate its progress. The multi-purpose building stalled due to the COVID-19 outbreak, according to the officials. The committee continues to consider responses of public entities on the Auditor General's report. Amina Shakira Nalgo reporting for TV Africa.